Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today, 11th of July 2014, we're going to be looking at the CFDs, gold, SPX500, US30, German 30, US oil on the daily chart using the Elliott Wave analysis. Before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop it, read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine. So, let's get to the charts. Here we are, we're on the gold chart, the daily. As you can see, we're currently in a triangular kind of situation. There's the A, there's the B, there's the C, there's the D. We projected D to come down there, and when we look further into this particular triangle, we can see an A, B, and we're waiting for the B to complete. That's off the smaller move down. So once we predicted A wave to be at that particular level here of this high around 135.1, and then it will come down for the B wave sharply and then go back up accordingly. In fact, this we will have to move the E wave further down so it actually does complete. Okay, so that's how we're looking for gold right now. Let's move to the SPX500, and what we want to tell you for that, it is let's go here, SPX500, taking it from the weekly chart, we can actually see the larger wave degree being in the super cycle. That's blue and in brackets, and that's in a wave 3. Breaking that down, we can see the cycle wave. That's 1, 2, and 3. That's black and in Roman numbers. So we've just taken it to the weekly, of course, as you know, and then it's a little bit more easier for us to look at. And then if we look, breaking that down, we can see the primary waves of red and in circles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll knock it down to the daily so you can actually see exactly where we're looking at this. And there we go. And now we can look more deeper into the intermediate being in green in brackets, 1, 2, 3. So really what we're seeing, we can see that we have some good opportunities for long positions on this potential trade. So on this instrument, so we could start looking for some shorts. I have taken some shorts on a smaller time frames, which I have already posted to you about. Okay, now let's move to the US oil. US oil, I'm showing this to you on the weekly chart. So you can have the overall perspective. There's 1, there's 2, we're in a wave 3 of a cycle degree. That's the larger wave degree pattern, and that's black and in Roman numbers. Breaking that down, 1, 2, 3, a primary wave, and then we take the intermediate 1, 2, 3 in an intermediate. That's in green and in brackets. So the trades that we have entered, we take it on the 4-hour, as you can see, and you can see the 4-hour is here. This now taking it to the daily chart. Whereas this is the wave 2 of the intermediate, and the intermediate then broken down into the minor, which is pink. There's 1, there's 2, and we're in a wave 3 for that. So if we take it now to the 4-hour as what we've entered it on, you see we've entered some trades already right now, and there's the minor pink, and we've broken that down into 2 sub waves. And the previous trade we had taken at 101.22, and that was, now if we look it down into the minute degree, that's blue and in circles. There's 1, there's 2, and wave 3 we projected at 111.05. So we've taken that trade at 101.22, projecting it to go at 111.05. Breaking that down further, we go into the minute, which is black. There's 1, there's 2. We've entered at 102.94, which stop at 97.75, and the various different levels will be taken at here, as you can see, for the minute wave, and the targets are 110.43, 108.52, 107.04. Currently now in negative for these potential trades, 35, 37, 40 minus. Okay, let's move to the US oil. US oil, of course, we're predicting it to be a ending diagonal, and taking it from the larger wave degree pattern. If we break this to the weekly, you can see there is at the bottom left, you can see here is the wave 2 of the cycle degree, and therefore we're in a wave 3. Wave 3 is close to completion at the top point here. Let's clear all that line so you can see there's 2 and there's 3 will finish off the cycle degree. So if we move that down to the daily now and put all that stuff back on, so the smaller wave structure is a wave 5. We're in a wave 5 of a primary degree, and that's where our ending diagonal has occurred in the wave 5 position. So there's an A, there's a B, we're looking for the C to complete. We took a cheeky trade earlier, as you can see, and that currently now is minus 50 pips or points negative. That's okay for us because we're expecting to go long anyhow, and our stop level is at 16743. We entered it at 16994. We got another trade at 6846. Stop levels at 16743. So target levels will be around this level here, 161.8 of the Fibonacci. Okay, fine, let's move to the German 30. German 30, where do we stand with that right now? We're in a wave 5 position of a cycle degree. There's the wave 4 of the cycle at the low of 14th of March 2004, and its substructures is one of the primary, 1, 2. We're in a wave 3 of the primary, and breaking that down into 3 levels, decomposing it. There's the primary, there's the intermediate, 1, 2, and wave 3 would come up there, and then we take the minor wave, 1, 2, 3. So are we in a wave 4? We put an entry at the 61.8 level. That would be a good point to bounce right back off. So we put our stop loss quite tight at 96.11. That's 96.11. That's right, traders. We've put an entry at 96.40, right? And looking to bounce off that 61.8. Stop level at 96.11. That's for both the trades. The first trade we're a negative in points 274. Price has come down all the way down. We had thought that's where our level was. So when we hit the 4, complete for the 5, and therefore that will be significant. In fact, that's where we're going to put our exit points. Looking at the SST, see some more movement downwards, but Awesome Oscillator, of course, is heading back to the 0. Okay, so that's me, traders. I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you.